Work is changing. The office is changing. And the way teams collaborate will never be the same again. For years, Walkolution has transformed how individuals work at home and at the office. But we asked ourselves, what if entire teams could share this experience? What if meetings, brainstorming, and daily collaboration could all happen in motion? Today, we're proud to reveal a world first, a revolution in co-working and collaborative work. The first system in the world that makes indoor walking meetings possible.
And to make this vision a reality, we built the Forum Desk from the ground up. Engineered around the needs of modern teams, designed for flexibility, focus, and effortless collaboration.
Here is how it works. Each desk in the system is individually height adjustable, so everyone can find their perfect fit. The dimensions are 120 by 80 centimeters, and they meet the official standards for office workstations, so you know it's built for serious daily use. We also offer optional removable acoustic panels, which you can install on the front or on the sides. These are especially useful in co-working spaces and libraries. Of course, we want to make sure to call out those use cases so you can picture how it works in your own environment. There's also a built-in cable channel with smart cable management, keeping everything organized and clutter-free. Height adjustment comes with memory functions and multiple preset positions, so you can switch at the touch of a button in groups of 2, 4, 6, or even 8. Whatever your team needs. Finally, the adjustment range is huge, from classic seated height all the way up to levels that work for very tall individuals. No matter your size, it's built to fit you.
With Walkolution, collaboration becomes active, engaging, and better for your health.
We can't wait to see how you'll bring walking meetings and active work to life in your workplace.
Walkolution. We keep the world moving.